Good morning, friends. My name is Sahil Sachin. I am second year mechatronic trainee. I am from MNTC. Today, I am present here to present my shop talk topic, that is FASTag technology. Today we are going to discuss about FASTag technology, what is meant by FASTag, how it's work, what is the application as per our condition, and what is the advantages, disadvantages of this FASTag technology. So before that, we are going to cover that, discuss that the content which we are going to cover today. So in the content, the first point is introduction about the FASTag technology. After that, we are going to discuss about the working of that FASTag technology, means how it's work or which main component it consists. After that, the application of the FASTag technology, means where we are able to use this FASTag technology as per our condition. After that, advantages and disadvantages of the FASTag technology. And at the last, we are going to discuss about the conclusion about this FASTag technology. So first, we are going to discuss about the introduction of this FASTag technology. So as I told you, as the name suggests, FASTag technology is electronic toll connection system in India, which is operated by the National Authority of India, National Highway Authority of India. So what is meant by FASTag technology? So as we know that when we are going for the traveling, that time we have to pay money for the toll. But in that condition, we have to pay money by manually. But by using this FASTag technology, we are able to pay money by automatically. So how that we are going to discuss today. So in the next slide, here it is the deep introduction about the FASTag technology. So this FASTag technology consists one RFID card, which is radio frequency identification. So we all have provided with the one RFID card, which is radio frequency identification card. In that RFID card, it consists of some copper wires. So it is batteryless sensor, uh, and on the top of that toll, when you are going to pass the toll, that time on the top of the toll one beam will be there. So on bottom of the beam, one sensor will be there, which is able to catch the signals which is produced by that RFID card. When we pass that time, the sensor strikes that RFID card and produces some signals. So that signals which is catch by this sensor, and it directly cuts money from the owner of the car, the account of the owner of the car, which is linked through that FASTag technology. So it's all about this FASTag technology. After that, we are going to discuss about the working of the FASTag technology. So in the working, we are going to mainly discuss about which main components are used in this FASTag technology and how it's work, that we are going to discuss today. So in the working, the FASTag technology, as I told you, it consists of passive RFID card, which is batteryless. So when how it's work, if it is batteryless, then how it's work or how it's charged. So when as I told you that RFID card, it consists of one copper wire. So that copper wire strikes or conduct when the that sensor which is placed on the bottom of the beam, which is placed on the toll. So that time it strikes or produce some wave or produce some signal which is carry or which is able to catch by that the sensor. So it's all about the working of the FASTag technology. So next we are going to discuss about its main working or the deep working of this FASTag technology. So as I told you, at the toll plaza, when the vehicle comes within a certain range, a radius or range, so that time the scanner or the sensor will be there. It able to send the signals to that car owner or the toll plaza, or it reads that signal or finds the owner of the car, or it directly cuts the money from the account which is linked with that owner of the car or the FASTag technology. So by using RFID card, we are able to create one RFID, this FASTag technology. So after that, we are going to cover today the application of the FASTag technology. So here are the application of the FASTag technology. Means we are able to use this FASTag technology as per our condition. So the first main advantages or the main application of this FASTag technology is mall parking area. So as we know that when we are going to visit some areas like malls, zoo, or some anywhere like school, colleges, hospitals, so that time we have to park our car. for parking our car they charge some money from us. So that area, like that area, we are able to use this FASTag technology. In that area, parking area, on the door we are able to place this sensors or this RFID card, which is placed on the bottom of the car, sorry, top of the car. So when we are going to pass this door, that time it cuts money from the car owner, or is as form of the fine of that charges of that parking area. After that, as like as the parking area, we also able to use the this FASTag technology in the non-parking area. So how we are able to use this FASTag technology in non-parking area? So as you know that I like same as the parking area, non-parking area will be there. Like as government area, there we do not have the permission for park our car there. So like that, we are able to use this FASTag technology. Like same as non-parking area, like at the door we are able to use this, or at the door we are able to fix this FASTag technology or sensors. So like when we are going to pass through that door or pass through that non-parking area, that time it cuts the money from the car owner account, which is linked with the FASTag technology, as in the form of the fine. So after that, the main application of this FASTag technology is that the toll system. So in the outside countries like as America, USA, so that in that countries they give most priority as compared most priority for this FASTag technology as compared to the India. So by using this FASTag technology, they are able to save their lot of wastage of time. So when they give the more priority for this FASTag technology, that time they save lot of time, lot of money, lot of fuel by using this FASTag technology. But as compared to that countries, as compared to outside countries, our India did not give that much priority for this FASTag technology. But the main application for this FASTag technology is the toll system, as I told you that. So next we are going to discuss about the advantages of this FASTag technology. So here are some advantages of this FASTag technology. So the first main advantages of this FASTag technology is it eliminate the needs to carry the money to for paying the cash for the toll fare payments. So as you know that in the manual case, or in a manual operation, we need to pay some money for the money to the toll. But in that condition, we need to carry money with us. But by using this FASTag technology, we are able to eliminate this step to need to carry the money with us. So but how? Because the cash will be directly stored in that the account which is linked with the FASTag technology. So that time we do not need to carry the money because of this FASTag technology. The next advantages of this FASTag technology is validity. About the validity or the guarantee or warranty about this FASTag technology is about 5 years. So it provides 5 years of validity in case of or warranty, or in case of guarantee. It provides the FASTag technology produced by one company, which is also which name as of this FASTag only. So that company provides 5 years of warranty as well as guarantee for this FASTag technology. After that, the advantages is the about the fast working or the working of this FASTag technology. So as compared to the manual operation or any other operation, the working of this FASTag technology is much more higher or the fastest as compared to the another one. So next advantages will be the SMS alert for the transition. When we are going to pass through the toll, that time it automatically cuts money from our account. So when we are take one example, when you are going for the buying something on the shop, in the shop, that time we pay money to the shop owner. So it sends some the company or the bank sends some message to us that dot amount will be credited from your account. So like that only, it also sends some SMS to the car owner or the car owner number, which is linked with this FASTag technology. So after that, the advantages will be the it saves fuel. So as I told you that in the another or the outside countries, the it uses this FASTag technology mainly on the toll system. So when, as I told you, in the manual case we need to stop or we need to pay the money, it takes much time, or the wastage of the fuel will be more. But in case of FASTag technology, the wastage of fuel will be not much, or the not that compared to the not higher that compared to the another one. So the next advantages for this FASTag technology will be it saves time. As I told you, in manual case it required much time for paying money, for stopping many many things will be there for that, for completing that thing it required more time. But as compared to that manual operation, it did not need that much, it did not need that much time. So it's much important in that case, it saves much time. So these are all advantages for this FASTag technology. Next, disadvantages. As you know that in for all components, or for every component, for every equipment, for any technologies, it have some advantages. Like as advantages, it also have some disadvantages. So this FASTag technology also have some disadvantages. So what is that we are going to discuss today. So the first disadvantages of this FASTag technology is the about the cost. So in India, for buying the FASTag technology, for buying this FASTag provided, so it required much amount of cash, as 5 to 6 thousand, approximately 5 to 6 thousand rupees required for buying this FASTag technology in India. It much higher than compared to another technologies. So after that, internet connection problem. As I told you that it sends some SMS, or it strikes, it uses RFID card. So as you know that RFID card required 24 into 7 internet connection. So in case of FASTag technology, somewhere weather will be not clear or another problem will be there. So because of that, the internet connection will be not there. So that time this FASTag technology is not able to work. So it is the main disadvantages of this FASTag technology. After that, the third disadvantages of this FASTag technology is hard to detect when the car is in the speed. So when the car is in the speed, that time the sensor which is placed on the top of the beam, or bottom of the beam which is placed on the top of that toll, so that sensor will be not able to catch the signals which is produced by that RFID card, when the car is in the speed. These are all are the disadvantages about this FASTag technology. So next we are going to discuss about the conclusion. So thus from the above information that I tell to you that, um, told you that the introduction about the FASTag technology, means what is meant by FASTag technology, about the working of the FASTag technology, application, advantages, disadvantages. We understood about what is meant by FASTag technology. So this is the conclusion about the FASTag technology. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to representing my shop talk topic in front of you. So if any doubt will be there, then comment in the description, comment in the below, or like, share, or subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you so much.